Halo sobat-sobat pembelajar, jumpa lagi dengan Krisna. Kali ini kita masih mau belajar tentang bahasa Inggris. Kenapa? Because learning English is fun. Oke, kali ini kita mau belajar tentang menulis. Ya, akan ada 3 video tentang tulisan ini, tapi ini nanti kita akan mengulas one by one, chapter by chapter. Okay, at the first time, we are going to talk about the first paragraph in a passage. Okay, and the first paragraph is introduction. Yuk, kita belajar bersama. Let's write. Okay, 3 important parts in writing. Introduction. This is the first paragraph. Adalah paragraf pertama, yaitu paragraf introduction, perkenalan. Ada yang bilang opening paragraph. Next is the body. And the last one is the conclusion. Okay, 3 parts in writing. The first one is introduction, body, and conclusions. But now in this video, we are going to talk first with the introductions here. Okay, are you ready? Let's get it on. Introductions. What do we have in introductions? Okay, in the introductions, we should share ideas about what we are going to talk about in the next paragraph. Surely every writers have their own ideas and they want to say something about their ideas to the readers. Oke, seperti apa ide-idenya itu yang harus tertuang di introduction. Ya, oke. So we should share ideas about what we are going to talk about in the next paragraph. Next, here in this paragraph, introduction paragraph, we should introduce their ideas to the readers so they have a brief information about what they are going to read in the next paragraph. Jadi mereka sudah sedikit meraba-raba, oh, di paragraf-paragraf berikutnya saya akan membaca ini, dan seterusnya. Okay? Next. When the readers find it interesting to read, then they will read our writing. But when they find it not interesting to read, then they will not read our writing. So the introduction has a big part in the whole passage. When your introduction paragraph is interesting, the main ideas you want to say, you want to convey through your writing in the whole paragraphs, in the whole passage, if it is interesting, so a lot of readers want to read your writing. But if it is not interesting, ya mereka juga ternyata nggak terlalu menarik ya. Akan mencari bacaan yang lain atau membeli buku yang lain dan seterusnya. Okay, so di bagian ini, the first paragraph, introduction paragraph, kita harus bisa betul-betul menarik secara cepat pembaca. Oh, ternyata tulisan ini akan berkisah tentang ini, dan saya membutuhkan itu. Saya penasaran dengan penjelasan-penjelasan berikutnya. That's it. Okay? Alright, next. In the introductions, when we write our ideas in the introduction, we have to write them as interesting as possible. Okay, so as I said before, that it has to be interesting as possible. So you have to write down anything, especially your ideas, your main ideas to the whole passage of your writing in the introduction parts here. Okay, I don't know, you may have 1, 2, 3 or a lot of main ideas, it's all right. Yeah, but now we are going to see the examples. Okay, jadi intinya itu tadi, kita akan ulang sedikit dari awal. Okay, we should share ideas about what we are going to talk about in the next paragraph. We should introduce that idea to the readers so they have brief information about what we are going to what they are going to read in the next paragraphs. And when the readers find it interesting, they will read it. But if they find it not interesting, they will leave it. And the last one, when we write our ideas in the introductions, we have to write them as interesting as possible. Okay, so let's check out the examples. I gave you one paragraph, simple paragraph, just an example. Okay, all right, check this out. All right, urban farming has become familiar to us, especially for urban people. This is a farming activity carried out by people who lived in urban areas. Even though this is just a farming activity, urban farming provides many benefits for the perpetrators. Apart from being a hobby, this activity also supplies vegetables as healthy organic food ingredients. Not only that, if we work well in a professional manner, this activity can bring financial benefits. Oke, so sedikit terpotong di sini ya. Sedikit terpotong di sini karena ada videonya. Oke. Here in this opening paragraph, in this introduction paragraph, I have three main ideas that I want to say to the readers. The first one is here. Hobby. You see this? Hobby. Urban farming is a hobby. So I'm going to write down something related to hobby in the next paragraphs, of course. All right. The second one. All right. Supplies vegetables. It supplies vegetables. What kind of vegetables? Organic. All right. And the last one is financial benefits. Okay, financial benefits. So these three main ideas that I want to say to the readers, of course, in the next paragraphs. In what paragraphs? Surely in the body paragraphs. Okay, but now here, this very simple example, I hope that it is quite clear for you that if you want to say something, especially in the whole passage, I only want to say these three main ideas about urban farming. Hobby, provide vegetables, and then financial benefits. Oke, sudah saya singgung di awal di sini bahwa begini begitu, ternyata urban farming itu merupakan suatu hobi dan dia menyediakan sayuran-sayuran segar yang organik, ya, sehat, ya. Terus juga membawa keuntungan finansial. That's it. Hopefully, when the readers read this paragraph, they become interested to go further, untuk membaca lebih dalam lagi, lebih lanjut lagi di paragraf-paragraf berikutnya tentang urban farming yang menyediakan tiga keuntungan ini. Mereka penasaran, apa yang dimaksud dengan yang pertama, kedua, ketiga. Ya, dari situ itu dirangkum dalam satu paragraf sederhana. This is the opening paragraph or the introduction paragraph. So, ini harus menarik dan orang ketika membaca sudah langsung punya gambaran, saya mau mendapat informasi tentang 1, 2, 3 itu. Kemudian harapannya the readers will go on, akan membaca paragraf-paragraf berikutnya. Begitu ya. So, sekian dulu penjelasan singkat tentang menulis opening paragraph ya. So this is very simple. Hopefully after you read this, or you may watch the video for several times, it's okay. And then you try to write down something. Okay, have something in your mind. I want to say something like this. I want to write down this, that. And I have this kind of these main ideas. 1, 2, 3. All right. Okay. So I'm going to open and introduce these ideas to the readers first. Di mana? Di opening paragraphs. Dan ini tadi contohnya ya. Harapannya setelah ini teman-teman semua langsung mulai mencoba menulis, mempraktekannya ya. Karena kalau tidak dipraktekkan bisa jadi nanti lupa. Jadi sekarang setelah ini harapannya teman-teman langsung bisa praktek. Meskipun itu simple, sederhana, it's okay. Yang penting praktek. Oke? Sampai jumpa lagi di video berikutnya. Tentunya video yang akan membahas tentang the body of the paragraphs dan juga video tentang nanti conclusionnya. Oke? Sekian dulu dari Krishna. Sampai ketemu di video berikutnya. Bye-bye. Thanks.